In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in Webflow. Unfortunately, since Webflow doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this massive list of widgets that you can choose from. I want you to head over to the tool section right here, and if you go down a bit, you will see event calendar right here. Click on that, and then you'll be taken to the calendar widgets page. From here, click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the calendar template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of calendar templates they can choose from, and on the right hand side, you have a fully interactive and live preview of what the selected template will look like on your Webflow website. Now bear in mind, all of these templates are fully customizable, both in terms of design and functionality, so don't worry about their default look just yet. We can actually go ahead and change pretty much anything you can see on the screen, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. Now this right here is for desktop, but if you click on the mobile icon here in the top right corner, you also get a mobile preview of it as well. Like I mentioned previously, it's all fully customizable, so don't worry about their look by default. So yeah, go ahead, choose the calendar that you like the most. In my particular case, I'm going to go for the team game schedule right here, and then click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where we can start customizing your calendar template to your liking. Now the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and add all the relevant details to the calendar. You can either manage the calendar manually by going for this option right here and add all of the different events that are happening or whatever it might be in your particular case. Alternatively, you can go ahead and connect your Google Calendar to the Elfsight widget, and then it's automatically going to be pulling the information from there and presenting it here and then on your website. So yeah, go ahead, choose the one that makes the most sense for you. In my particular case, I'm going to go for the manual option because I feel like it allows for far more customization compared to the Google integration. So yeah, this is what it looks like on the back end. So what you need to do here is go ahead and add all the different events or whatever they might be to the calendar. So click on that event right here, and then simply provide all the different information for that particular event. As you can see, there's loads of different customizations that you can take advantage of here. I'm not going to go for every single one because it's all very self-explanatory. So as you can see, as soon as you click on add event, you'll see the event right here on the top, and then here's the start time, the end time. If it's all day, just enable this, and then it'll be October 19th. The time zone, and then if it repeats, if it's like a regular event, then you can make sure to set this to daily, monthly, or whatever it might be. Then at the bottom, you have a description for the event. You can add an image, you can add the event type and the venue, and so forth. Once you're done, go ahead, click on done right here in the top right corner of the screen, and then you will see the event properly added to the top. In my case, I'm going to stick to the default events right here in the calendar. Once you're done with adding all the upcoming events to the calendar, at the bottom here, you also see past events. So if you want to display any events that have already happened, then this is the place where you need to go. Then you can also set event types, venues, hosts, and so forth. On the left-hand side, you also see layout, filters, style, and settings. These are even more customizations you can take advantage of to further customize your calendar template. So for example, here in terms of layout, the current layout is list. However, you can also have it as a grid or as masonry or as a week like this, or a month, or a slider, or a day like that. Then at the bottom here, you can also customize the heading, the event elements, as well as the past events. Then you have filters here, so you can add a search field if that's relevant for you, like this, and people can search up different events that might be happening. Then you can also set different filters here by event type, venue, host, and tags. In my case, though, let me just go back to layout and set it to this like it was by default. So in terms of style, you can customize the text font here, the background, this will be the color, as well as the padding. Then you have the heading here, again, the color and the font size. But yeah, as you can see, there's lots of different customizations you can take advantage of here. I'm not going to go for every single one. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with customizing your calendar, go ahead and click on that website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then it will be saved up. By the way, at any point in the future, you can always come back to Elfsight and make any small tweaks to the calendar as you see fit, whether that's changing the details of an event or adding a brand new event or changing the colors or whatever it might be. You can always come back and change it. You never have to start from scratch. So yeah, once you're on this page right here, in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see this green publish button. Go ahead, click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we're creating to Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. Do bear in mind that there's come with some Elfsight branding. So if you want your widget to be 100% ad free, then I would recommend you to go for one of the premium plans right here, which also offer a lot more premium features and functionality. So even the basic plan, for example, offers up to 3 Elfsight widgets compared to just one, and up to 5,000 views instead of just 200. And as you can see, there's lots of different plans that you can choose from. And if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, browse through the different plans, choose the one that best suits your needs, and then you'll automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your calendar widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and let's head over to Webflow so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Webflow editor here, and what I've done is actually gone ahead and added a brand new section, which is where I want my calendar widget to go. In your case, you don't need to have a brand new section. You can have it any way you want on your website. I've just done this for simplicity's sake. So yeah, go ahead, highlight the section that you want to add your calendar to, and then click on this plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen. Then I want you to search for code, and then click on code embed. This is going to open up a code embed editor. Simply paste the code that we just copied here from elf side, click save and close, and let's go ahead and publish the changes to Webflow. Then give it a couple of seconds, and we're going to go ahead and refresh the page now and take a look at our calendar down here. As you can see, here it is. It looks super nice and clean. As you can see, it's also fully interactive. This down here is the little elf side branding that I talked about in the plans page. So if this is too much of a bother for you, you can get rid of it by simply going for one of the premium plans, and it will automatically be removed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a calendar in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.